how you doing today? Sally Garcia here. I can't wait for everybody to start hopping on and so we can talk about all this keto stuff. There are so many questions coming through my inbox that I figured I would just do a live about it and maybe download this video and put it on my YouTube because the same questions keep coming up and I want to make sure you're all aware. And when you're coming on, you have to say hello. Hi there. Say hi when you guys come on. Oh, I love hearts, everything, right? So say hi. Hi, Holly. Good to see you. Yeah, so the same questions keep popping up, and my inbox is full with the same question all the time. So if you guys hear like baby British accents, the girls are all 8 years old, and they're practicing a British accent. It's so cute. It's delicious, actually. And maybe like towards the end of this video I'll show you what they're doing. It's so cute. Hi Brittany, good to see you. You guys throw some hearts down or your favorite emoji down below so that I can see that you're there and you're paying attention. This is an important topic, I think, because there's so many misconceptions and I just want to clear a couple things up. And not that I'm an expert or anything like that, but just from, you know, everyone I follow. Hi Heather, good to see you. All the education that I'm receiving and that I am pouring back into you guys. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to always inbox me or message me or DM me or whatever you want to call it, text me, and I'll try to get to those questions as soon as possible. Hey Lorena, good to see you. Drop your favorite emoji. Ah, there it is. I didn't even have to ask. See that? You guys, do it. And if you're watching the replay, please, down below, make sure you say hello, and that's the proper thing to do, right? Say hi. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. So a lot of the question to me is like, I just started keto, my hair's falling out, my hair's so dry, all of that. You know, hi Trisha, say hi. It's not, I'm just gonna start off with saying, it's not keto that's making your hair fall out. It could be so many other things because, you know, the ketogenic diet is high fats, and when you're eating really good, proper fats, that feeds your body, right? That feeds your nails, your eyes, your skin, your hair, all of that good stuff. What sometimes happens is that we're stressing our body out by eliminating so many things out of our system that it stresses our body out, and therefore we lose our hair. But you know what? When you're eating properly, and what's so funny, girls? Sophia?
My favorite YouTubers in this game.
Oh my God, their favorite YouTubers in the game. Girls are so cute. Anyway. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Hi Susan, good to see you. We need to get together soon. Okay, so back to what I was saying is, okay, sorry it's so loud, but I've got kids and this is live, right? This is happening in my house. Okay, so I'm losing my train of thought though, girls. Okay, here I go. Bam! Stress. Yes, Susan, we gotta go out. Okay, so stress really does wonders on our body, doesn't it? It does so many things. With stress, we don't sleep. We're stressing out. We're thinking. Our brain's always going, and our body's not resting. So therefore, we lose hair, or our hair gets really dry, our skin gets really dry, we start breaking out, all kinds of different things. So you can also, now I'm going to go shift over to other things like loss of estrogen for women. If you're losing estrogen, your hair is going to fall out. Low iron levels, that would be me. I'm anemic, and when I go into those levels of where like I feel like I'm super low on energy, I'm falling asleep, then, hey girls, can you guys give me a minute? Hey, thank you. Regulate. Do you guys understand? Do you guys have kids at home? Like, you know, you just have to work when you work and then go on live with the kids are having their YouTube time. Anyway, so where was I? Low iron. Okay, so I am anemic. And that is something that I need to watch. But since starting... Yeah, right, Sherry. Since starting my journey on ketones, because I'm going to tell you, I tell you guys this all the time. Hey, Alicia, how are you? I tell you guys this all the time. I am not 100% keto. Like, I don't want to live that way. I love some carbs. But you know what? I stay away from sugary carbs like pastas and breads and cakes and things like that. Don't get me wrong, I love birthday cake. I will have a cake or a cupcake or a brownie every once in a while. It's not gonna hurt my diet because my diet works for me, and whatever diet you're on, it's as long as it's sustainable and it's healthy for you, that's gonna work for you. So what I do to wash all that other stuff out is like I drink my ketones. No, it doesn't wash it out 100%, but you know what? Like these keep you on track. Hey, Jody Ann, I owe you something. So make sure that you DM me right after this video so I can send something out to you, okay? You won something and you probably don't even know. Winner, winner. Okay, so stress induces hair loss. That was basically what I was getting at, okay, with that. You have to drink tons of water, okay? So once you start ketones, oh, I'm burning something on the stove now. Hello? All right, so, yeah, girl. Okay, so when you do start a ketogenic diet or exogenous ketones, you want to make sure you definitely drink tons of water. So with me, like I drink a lot of water already anyway, and I'm going to tell you. So I fast 14 to 16 hours every day, except for maybe 1 or 2 days out of the week. Those are my days where, and I don't call them cheat days because I'm not cheating, all right? I'm just eating because my body's telling me that it's time for more. It's time for something else, right? And I'm not cheating like going out and eating cake and doing all that stuff. I am actually just having a proper breakfast, having a lunch, and then having dinner. I don't snack all day long anymore, thank God, because those insulin spikes were like just doing horrible things to my insulin levels, which in turn, you know, what happens to the insulin levels, you become insulin resistant, right? So when that happens, the sugar stays in your blood, and what we're doing, it's like locked in there. What we're doing with that is that we keep adding more sugar, right? And our insulin keeps spiking, and we're not getting rid of those sugars. So the ketones actually help with that process. Okay, so I didn't want to get too much into that. I am not a doctor, and I'm not making any medical claims. I'm telling you guys what works for me and what's been working for a lot of my friends, girlfriends, guy friends, whatever, right? Digestion, so replenishing oh yeah, when you start a keto diet, do you guys get like constipated or diarrhea? So it's one or the other, or like you're somewhere in between. For me, I was like super constipated the first, like that on day 10, it was horrible, the worst pain I've ever felt, okay? But guess what? I wasn't following the rules, right? Like adding minerals to my body. And Sherry, I'm taking for my, oh yeah. Oh, that's the worst, right? I can't open up your comment while I'm on live, but keep talking, girlfriend. It's the worst, it is, and she's losing her hair. So what you want to do is like add more proper fats to your body, like MCT oil, you know? Like I just got this stuff, where is it? I just got this stuff, right? I ordered it, I finally did. Because like for me, I do a lot of coconut oil, a lot of extra virgin olive oil, tons of avocados. I eat a whole avocado a day now. Like forget like all that other stuff that I was telling you a year ago, like only a 4th avocado, your lean meats and your vegetables, you know, okay, that works, that totally works. But now I've found something that works so much better for me, for my body, and it's so much easier, and I don't have to think about it. And since I am fasting 14 to 16 hours, I only eat 2 big meals a day, and I'm satiated. I love it, I love it, I love it. Water, we'll go back to that, and Rompers. So funny. Girls, you know what I'm talking about, right? Rompers and water, or Rompers and a night out drinking, okay. I was in digestion. Okay, so what we want to do for any stomach constipation or diarrhea is add about 200 milligrams of magnesium. I add the magnesium with calcium. It does help a lot. Also helps with muscle recovery. So if you're working out, you want to add the magnesium to that. It'll help with the muscle recovery. Thanks, Angie, for the hearts. I love that. Salt, Himalayan salt, that also helps with the replenishing of minerals. So what happens is sometimes we start losing mineral, or we don't have enough of the minerals in our body, so we want to definitely replenish those minerals. So that's a really good hack, a little tip maybe that you can start adding if that's happening to you. Raise your hand if you're on ketones or on the keto diet. I want to know. You guys talk to me. I'm learning a lot, so everything I learn, I try to bring it back onto you guys and educate you as much as I can from what I know. I know that we're also starting our 60-hour fast, and that's going to start. So the kits are on sale until only tomorrow. What's the date? My computer's not telling me. Okay, yeah, until the 6th. So you guys get on it. It's only on sale on my website at coachsallyg.proveitnow.com. Until tomorrow. So I've got a group of like 15 girls doing it, and then after that I'm going to walk with them through this journey of lean and green. Okay, so for the next 3 days after that, we're going to optimize our results from that 60-hour reboot that we're doing, that fast. Y'all have to try it. Okay, don't be afraid. I'll tell you that I was so scared. I was freaking out, texting my girlfriends all day long that I was going to starve to death, but I didn't. Totally lived. I still taught an insanity class, I taught a P90X class, and booty bar, and I was fine. I taught every single one of those days. Yes, I depleted myself on that first day, Monday. I went a little too hard, but it didn't kill me. I was fine. I'm still here and brighter than ever. Okay, I think I went through all my points, and I'm looking down because I got my notes down there. Water, water, water. You have to drink tons of water. And when you drink tons of water, you gotta go to the bathroom a lot. Rompers are not fun to go to the bathroom in, especially when you have to go to work. If you don't know, I took a job, and there's a lot of friends here from school that are popping on. I did take a new job, and I'm so excited about it. It's just exactly what I love to do, which is helping children and, well, humans, right? But I work at a school called Orange County School of Arts. I'm super in love with my dean that I work for, the dean, Dr. Endelman. He's amazing. And he has taken me under his wing, added me to his killer team of aides, and I am helping kids with like learning disabilities, things like that. So I get to walk around campus. I get to take high school all over again. It's kind of exciting. So, but wearing a romper and having to go to the potty is not ideal. So I probably not going to wear a romper anymore to work. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope that helped. Did it help? If you're watching the replay, say yes or no. Okay, and if you're watching lives, come on guys, thumbs up, hearts, whatever. Talk to me. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. I'm feeling better. If you guys noticed, I haven't been on in the morning working out. Who's following that? I had a sinus infection. So thinking about tomorrow. We'll see how I feel in the morning, but if not tomorrow, Friday for sure. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Love ya.